Hi, it's Nick from HiFi Collective here. Today we're going to be talking about valves. Now, valves have been in the news lately among the fraternity of DIYers because of obviously the Russian Ukraine issue. So we can no longer kind of easily get valves from Russia. They're probably still making them, but to get them is tricky. So there's been a big rush on valves. Lots of people are buying up stocks, so fearing kind of that they'll never be able to get hold of them again. A lot of valves are made in Russia, and as a result, the prices of valves have kind of gone up. So we've been addressing our supply chain, and we've kind of picked up a new level of tubes. Obviously there's China that make the purveins, so we've got a few of those here. I'm going to go through them now. Got this pillow here so that if I drop them, I'm not going to smash them. So pierce vein. Purveins are a bit tricky to get hold of, but we're seemingly getting through it. So comes in these are the 300 BTs. They come in a nice box, reminiscent of Western Electric. Similar colour actually as well, though this box isn't really made of wood, it's like a cardboardy material. So 300B tube Ts come with report cards of their tests. So these are a match pair. They look quite funky. Kind of standard 300B shape. Gold plated pins. They look quite nice. So that's those. And then these are the treasures, which I believe are still made kind of from the same kind of factory as PS Vein. So these are 300B Zs. Similar bottle shape. That's cool. So they're more expensive than those. The same again, they come with report cards. Match pair. And then these are Treasure CV181s, which is basically the military equivalent for a 6SN7, which is a double triode. Report cards again for matching purposes. I think quite diddy, these ones. So these are very popular valve. They're used in a lot of old school stuff. So yeah. And then staying with the purvein, this is a 6SN7 SE. So I'll put one of these up from the bottom. So these are a low cost version of the CV181s. But they're a globe version, so quite cool looking tubes. You see that? Wicked. Just give them a go. So they're a new one for us. And then these chaps are the S, what they call the Art S version of purveins. So, oops. So you have all the 12AX7, 12AT7, 12AU7. They all look pretty similar, but they have different specs. So Purvein used to do the T, well, they probably still do it, but we've stepped up, we're getting these ones in. The T2 range. So I'll just get one out to show you. Cool, so you've got the gold pins here with their stamp on Purveins. Look good. So obviously that range of double triodes are very popular valve. So we've got a few in. Get those. They're going to be added shortly. Well, they'll be added as soon as this video gets out. And then you've got, these are really cool, tung-sol. They are made in Russia though. These are very popular these days. Being tetrodes, they're the same family as the KT 88. This one is a KT 120. There you go. Tung-sol, made in Russia. These have, it's like a souped up version of the KT 88, KT 90. Anode dissipation of 60 watts. So you can get good volume out of those. Then they go up in size. This is the T150. This is where the shapes get really interesting on the bottle. Ooh! So like the Gherkin, London building, KT150, anode dissipation of 70 watts. So that's pretty awesome. And then this one, KT 170. It's got an 85 watt anode dissipation. So interesting looking tube. You can get good volume out of these, a couple of these in push pull for sure. So a good one to go for if you're running a bit of a sound. Back in. And while we're chatting about tubes, valves, we've just purchased a load of parts from a company called ProAmp, who basically aren't producing anything much anymore. So these were a valve base that aren't made anymore. They're made in Italy, and they're pretty sturdy. So you've got, this is an octal base, we've got quite a few of these. So check them out, the nickel plated. I think they're phenolic, they're made of phenolic. So there you go. Plenty of action on the valve front. Just before I sign off, I want to say a big thank you for watching our videos. Like and subscribe, and follow us on all the social network platforms. See you later.